Assalamualaikum and hi. In this video, I will share my reflection on Chapter 8 and Chapter 9 for STA104, which is Index Number and Probability. This chapter helped me understand how statistics is applied in real-life situation and decision-making. For Chapter 8, I learned about index numbers, which are used to measure change over time, such as price change or cost of living and economic performance. Some examples of index number include price index and consumer price index. For this chapter, I understand how index number help us compare data from different periods using a base year. I also learned how to calculate simple index and weighted index numbers. At first, I found it challenging to choose the correct formula and understand the concept of the base year. However, after practicing more questions and referring to lecture notes, I was able to understand how index numbers are calculated and interpreted more clearly. In Chapter 9, I learned about probability, which explains the likelihood of an event occurring. I learned about basic probability concepts such as sample space, event, and probability rules. This chapter helped me understand how probability is used in everyday life, such as predicting outcome and making decisions under uncertainty. I also learned how to calculate probability using formulas and apply them to simple real-life examples. Initially, I found probability difficult because I needed to understand the concept before solving the question. However, with continuous practice, I became more confident in identifying sample space and calculating probabilities correctly. Overall, Chapter 8 and 9 enhanced my understanding of statistical concepts and their real-world application. I learned that index number help us analyze change over time, while probability help us make better decisions based on uncertainty. This topic improved my analytical thinking and problem-solving skill, and I believe they will be useful in my future studies and daily life. In conclusion, learning index number and probability has strengthened my foundation in statistics.